What are the trends that you're seeing with mergers and acquisitions?
In my practice, which is kind of large middle market, closely held businesses, I'm seeing much more strategic purchases where they are focused on some niche or technology that's additive to the existing business. So the buyer is looking and identifying that as something that'll really help their business. And the flaws in M&A, historically, I learned this early on in my career, is that the ones that don't work are those that you've got this, whale swallowing the minnow, and the executive team at the whale is looking at the minnow saying, oh, that poor mismanaged minnow, we are going to bring our magic to bear on that, and we're going to turn them into this great company. But the ones that really work and the real great finds I've found in my career are the ones where they're looking at that minnow and they're saying, wow, that has some great qualities. It's got either some great technology or a great service offering and some a great team, and we can come in there and collaborate and make both entities better. But when it's a cram down and we're gonna rule the roost, it seldom works.
Wow, that's very interesting, yeah, because you would think that the other company, maybe the larger company, is kind of helping with back operations, where the smaller company is maybe the creative, and
exactly.
Making the larger company become a little more up to date, and whether it's social media wise or whatever.
Right. When I started in the business, it was the saying was the large will eat the small, and now it's more the fast will eat the slow. I think it's the quick to market strategically. You can't rush it, but being light on your feet and flexible is the key in business these days, I think.